Hi guys, come with us to Pretoria Zoo. Started off by the garage. I was trying to take a video here, but social anxiety got the best of me. The way we got lost in a corner, so crazy. We got so lost. It is so crazy. But yeah, we made it in one piece. Yes, this is it. And it's so beautiful. I asked him to hold my hand because I'm scared of bridges. Imagine, yo. 100 men versus a silverback gorilla. My money goes to the gorilla, okay? As for the Mapawezila, they didn't want to roar or something. We just wanted to hear that. They didn't. Imagine. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, man. Giraffes, I think they're cute. And this one started charging towards us, and I got so scared and I started running. Yo, look at them flexing. That is so nice and so cool. Look at that one. Oh, this is their aquarium. So nice. Penguins. Wow, first time seeing them, obviously. So yeah, it was nice. Thank you guys for watching.